different types of data types. We studied three basic data types: integer, character, and float. And then we discussed its derived data types. Now in this video, let's try to see that how much size a character variable is going to occupy in the space in the memory. As we have discussed that the character variable is going to take 1 byte in memory. So let's try to write a program for this. See out, and then you have to write this thing, size of character variable, in memory, uh, fine. So let's try to use the function size of, and then write the data type char. And after this we have to write this byte, and then we have to write the inline. Okay, so inline, basically it is inline manipulator. Then we have to, again we have to print a message, size of character variable in memory, clear. Size of sign char, because we also discussed the sign char in our lecture. So this is basically, it will show us the size of sign char variable in memory, clear. Size of unsigned, this time we are going to print the unsigned, size of unsigned character variable in memory. And we have to use, again we have to use size of unsigned char. It's going to store only positive characters, unsigned char. And then we have to use bytes here, bytes and end line. So this is how, let me put here size of um, size of sign char, size of char variable, size of char variable in memory, size of sign char variable in memory, and size of unchar memory. So let's try to compile this code and run this code and see the result on the screen. Now you can see in the screen there is basically size of char variable in memory. So it's going to take 1 byte in memory. Similarly, size of signed char variable in memory, it's going to take 1 byte in memory. And for the unsigned character variable, the compiler is going to reserve 1 byte as well. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you